My name is Brenton Linhart. I work on the OpenShift Enterprise product here at Red Hat. Although I've been here 8 years, OpenShift Enterprise is changing the way I do development. One of the game changers for me is really how an application can be cloned from a production environment into a sandbox, complete with continuous integration in a matter of minutes. In my case, I create a Ruby runtime environment, add a database, and clone my production web service in a matter of minutes. When I say clone a production web service, that's actually what I mean. I'm adding a Git remote to my repository that contains the code, then I merge it as I would any other code. When I finally push the code to my sandbox, OpenShift downloads the dependencies, builds my code, runs my database migrations, and starts up the service. From there, my app is ready for use and I'm ready to add continuous integration. Thankfully, creating the Jenkins server is the same process as creating any application in OpenShift. To integrate my web service and automatically create a job in Jenkins, I simply add the Jenkins client cartridge. It's important to realize that this is the same Jenkins that the community is already using. This means you can configure the build script however you want. For my projects, if the tests fail, the deployment is aborted. When the tests pass, it ships. It's pretty simple. In fact, OpenShift makes continuous integration so easy, there's really no excuse not to have it. This is really just the tip of the iceberg. You can start working with OpenShift Online today. You can deploy OpenShift Enterprise at your company. And the truth is, you don't have to modify your application, but you will change the way you develop your software.